Hey everyone, let's talk posture. Good posture is more than just looking good, it's about feeling good too. Imagine this, you're standing tall, shoulders back, a smile on your face. You radiate confidence and energy. Good posture means your bones are aligned correctly. This helps your muscles work efficiently, preventing aches, pains, and even injuries. Plus, it can boost your mood and help you feel more confident. Think about a time you slouched. Did you feel a bit down? Now think about a time you stood up straight, felt better, right? That's the power of posture. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of amazing posture? Let's do this. Don't worry, this isn't about complicated yoga poses. We're focusing on easy, accessible exercises that anyone can do, regardless of age or fitness level. No need for fancy equipment or a gym membership. These exercises are so simple, you can do them anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even outdoors, you can fit these into your daily routine without any hassle. Let's start with a wall stand. Find a wall, stand with your back flat against it, and position your heels a few inches away. This exercise helps improve your posture and strengthens your core. Hold this position for 30 seconds and try to repeat it a few times throughout the day. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your body aligned. Easy peasy. Next, let's move on to the shoulder blade squeeze. Imagine you're holding a pencil between your shoulder blades. Squeeze them together, hold for 5 seconds, and then release. Repeat this 10 times. You'll really feel those muscles working, and it's great for relieving tension in your upper back. Now, for the chin tucks. Look straight ahead and gently tuck your chin towards your chest. This exercise is excellent for combating the effects of looking down at screens all day. Hold the position for 5 seconds and repeat it 10 times. It's a small movement, but it can make a big difference in alleviating tech neck strain. This one's great for tech neck. If you spend a lot of time on your phone or computer, this exercise is a must. Finally, let's do a chest stretch. Interlock your fingers behind your back, straighten your arms, and lift them gently. This stretch opens up your chest and counteracts the hunching we often do. Feel that stretch in your chest? It's a wonderful way to improve your flexibility and posture. Hold this stretch for 15 seconds and repeat it a few times. It's a simple addition to your routine that can have significant benefits. These exercises are your secret weapons for amazing posture. Incorporate them into your daily life, and you'll start to notice improvements in how you carry yourself. Do them regularly, and you'll be amazed at the difference. Consistency is key, and with these easy exercises, you'll be on your way to better posture and a healthier you. Did you know that good posture can actually make you look taller and slimmer? It's one of the simplest ways to enhance your appearance without any effort. Just by standing up straight, you can transform how you look and feel. It's true. When you slouch, you compress your body, making you appear shorter and wider. This not only affects your physical appearance, but can also impact your confidence and how others perceive you. But when you stand tall, you elongate your frame, giving the illusion of height and a leaner silhouette. Good posture can make your clothes fit better, and even help you move more gracefully. Here's another fun fact. Your body is naturally designed to have good posture. From the moment we're born, our bodies are equipped with the right alignment. Babies are born with a natural curve in their spine that promotes good alignment. This natural curve helps distribute weight evenly and supports the body's structure. But as we age and develop habits like slouching and sitting for long periods, we tend to lose that natural posture. Modern lifestyles with long hours at desks and on devices contribute to poor posture. The good news is, it's never too late to regain it. With conscious effort and the right techniques, anyone can improve their posture regardless of age. By practicing good posture habits and incorporating simple exercises into your routine, you can retrain your body and enjoy the many benefits of standing tall. These exercises can be done anywhere, anytime, and they don't require any special equipment. Ready for more posture power-ups? Let's go! Stay tuned as we dive deeper into specific exercises and tips that will help you maintain a strong, healthy posture every day. Whether you're at work, at home, or on the go, these tips will keep you standing tall and feeling great. Good posture isn't just about exercises, it's about making small changes throughout your day. We've all been there scrolling through our phones with our heads down. Instead, bring your phone up to eye level. Your neck will thank you. Make sure your computer screen is at eye level and your chair supports your lower back. Take breaks to stand up and stretch. Channel your inner superstar. Head up, shoulders back, and walk with purpose. You'll look and feel amazing. Remember, Good posture is a journey, not a destination. Every small step counts. Listen to your mother posture reminders. Our mothers always had a knack for knowing what's best for us, and posture is no exception. Remember your mom always telling you to sit up straight? It might have seemed like a nagging reminder back then, but it turns out she was onto something incredibly important. Well, she was right. Good posture is essential for a healthy and happy body. It affects not just how we look, but also how we feel and function throughout the day. Here are a few more mom-approved posture reminders. These tips are simple yet powerful in maintaining a strong and healthy posture. Don't slouch. This classic reminder is as relevant today as it was when we were kids. Slouching can lead to a host of problems, including chronic back pain and fatigue. Slouching puts unnecessary stress on your spine and can lead to back pain. Shoulders back, tummy in. This simple adjustment can make a world of difference in how you carry yourself. This little mantra helps you engage your core muscles and maintain a neutral spine, which is crucial for good posture. Engaging your core isn't just about looking fit, it's about supporting your entire body. Stand tall like a tree. This visualization technique can be incredibly effective. Imagine yourself as a tree with deep roots and a strong trunk. Imagining yourself as a tall, strong tree can help you visualize and maintain good posture. Your feet are the roots grounding you, and your spine is the trunk reaching upwards. Feel your feet rooted to the ground and your spine reaching towards the sky. This grounding technique not only improves posture but also enhances your overall sense of balance and stability. Moms know best, especially when it comes to posture. So next time you hear that familiar reminder, take it to heart. Good posture is a lifelong gift that keeps on giving. Chin up, shoulders back. Conquering common posture problems. We all have our posture quirks, but some common problems can be easily fixed. Rounded shoulders. This happens when we spend too much time hunched over. Try the shoulder blade squeeze and chest stretch exercises to counteract this. Forward head posture, tech neck. Guilty of staring at your phone for hours? Chin tucks are your new best friend. Lower back pain. Strengthen your core with planks and bridges. Also, make sure you have good back support when sitting. Remember, addressing these problems early can prevent future pain and discomfort. Tech Neck no more posture tips for the digital age. Let's face it, we love our gadgets. But all that screen time can wreak havoc on our posture. Here's how to stay digitally connected without hurting your neck. Laptop level up. Use a laptop stand to raise your screen to eye level. Phone face off. Hold your phone at eye level, not in your lap. Take a break. Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen and focus on something in the distance for 20 seconds. Remember, your neck deserves just as much love as your latest tech obsession. Beyond the surface, the unexpected benefits of good posture. Good posture isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. 1. Breathe easy. Good posture allows your lungs to expand fully, improving your breathing capacity. 2. Confidence booster. Standing tall can boost your self-esteem and make you feel more confident in social situations. 3. Digestion dynamo. Good posture helps your digestive system function properly, preventing digestive issues. 4. Energy unleashed. Proper alignment allows for better blood flow, which means more energy throughout the day. Who knew good posture could have so many amazing benefits? Stand tall, live fully, making posture a priority. In a world that often encourages us to hunch over our screens and rush through our days, good posture is a powerful act of self-care. By making a conscious effort to stand tall, we not only improve our physical health, but also enhance our mental and emotional well-being. So let's make a pact to prioritize our posture and experience the transformative power of standing tall. Remember, good posture is a journey, not a destination. Every small step counts. Posture check. Time to straighten up. Take a moment to check your posture right now. Are you slouching? Are your shoulders hunched? If so, it's time to straighten up. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Feel your spine lengthen, your shoulders relax, and your chest open up. Doesn't that feel better? Make posture checks a regular part of your day and you'll be well on your way to a taller, more confident you. Your posture journey. Small steps, big results. Congratulations on taking the first step towards better posture. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Start by incorporating a few simple exercises and tips into your daily routine. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way, and most importantly, have fun with it. Put on some music, grab a friend, and make good posture a part of your healthy lifestyle. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.